Hey everyone, welcome back to Teo Steak. Today we're getting a hands-on look at a major workflow upgrade. This is the Normcore's lay flat stainless steel portafilter with a technical carbon fiber handle. Let's get it unboxed so we can look at the construction and break down the specific machine models. Inside the box, typical of a Normcore environmentally friendly paper, as a bubble wrap. You get the CNC machined stainless steel head, the ultra lightweight carbon handle, and an included 18 grams of basket. Here's the basket. Super tight because it's brand new. The big draw here is the 180-degree lay flat geometry, allowing the entire portafilter to sit completely flat on your counter for perfectly level tamping without a separate stand. Now I have 3 copies of this item because it comes in specific sizes meant for completely different machine setups. First, there's a 54mm version built specifically to fit smaller home setups like Breville, Bambino Plus, and Sage machines. Next up are the 58mm variants. They're designed to accommodate different machines. For example, this one is for Gaggia classic machines. Let's go ahead and put this aside. This is for Gaggia. Again, comes with the Normcore's basket. Again, the carbon fiber handle. And then the other 58mm variant designed to accommodate brands like Rocket, ECM, Profitec, Remo, and Descent. All of these portafilters, they come with 18 grams of baskets, and they're all stainless steel with technical carbon fiber handle. Carbon fiber handles are removable down the road. If you want to take the different design like a wood handle, you're more than welcome to do that. However, this carbon fiber drops the weight significantly, moving the balance perfectly in your hand, and the machining tolerances looks incredibly sharp. If you want to see which one fits your setup, check out the purchase links below. If you like this and haven't joined yet, please consider subscribing. Also like and share to support the channel. I'll see you on the next Teo Steak video. Have a delicious day.